Okay, we're back. Sorry, I just need to get a photo of some beautiful trees. I just got pickered. What are we doing?
Send that way.
Okay, well then let's go that way.
Okay, go around that patch. Go around as much as watch that right there.
Oh, fuck.
Big stuff. Okay.
There's what?
Branch right here.
Oh, okay.
More branches.
Yeah, you don't want to get hit with these.
You don't want to sprinkle.
Ugh.
Alright, back in the woods.
No one else besides me hear that?
Somebody's hunting.
Shack.
Yes, they're blind. They're blind. That's the one I went for. Thank you.
Huh, fun.
You forget because you should have worn orange. This is the fire pit, not a hunting.